Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious salmon avocado toast. First, select your preferred bread, perhaps a hearty sourdough or a whole grain option. Pop it into the toaster until it reaches a perfect golden hue, offering a satisfying crunch. While your toast is browning, ensure your salmon is ready. It can be smoked, baked, or pan-seared, then gently flaked into bite-sized pieces. This initial step sets the foundation for a truly delightful meal. Next, let's prepare the star of our toast, the creamy avocado. Choose one perfectly ripe avocado, indicated by its slightly soft feel. Carefully slice it in half, remove the large pit, and scoop the vibrant green flesh into a small bowl. Using a fork, gently mash the avocado until it reaches your desired consistency, whether you prefer it chunky or super smooth. A pinch of salt and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice will brighten its flavor beautifully. Now for the exciting part, assembling your toast. Take your perfectly toasted bread and generously spread the creamy mashed avocado from edge to edge. Aim for about 2 tablespoons per slice for a satisfying layer. Next, artfully arrange the flaked salmon over the avocado, ensuring every bite will have a delightful mix of flavors. Don't be shy, pile it high for a truly indulgent experience. This combination creates a wonderful base. To elevate your salmon avocado toast, add some finishing touches. A sprinkle of freshly ground black pepper and a pinch of red pepper flakes will add a subtle kick. For a burst of freshness and color, garnish with finely chopped fresh dill or chives. These small additions make a big difference in both taste and presentation. Serve your masterpiece immediately and enjoy every single bite of this healthy and satisfying meal. It's truly a treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.